Yes, ಹೇಳಿ madam.
My lordship, I am the victim out here.
Hmm.
It is my case that before the trial court, I have a bank account with Syndicate Bank, Kankanadi branch. I was the only signer on that account. Nobody else was a signer. In my absence from the country, there were checks encashed from my account.
Absence from the country.
From the country. I was in US at the time. Certain checks were encashed. I was not aware of these checks because I never went to the bank to check on it. When it came to my notice, I did complain to the bank manager, to the regional office, to the head office. Even then, when I gave a complaint, they didn't investigate my complaint. I was forced to compel to go and file a complaint with CBI. CBI sends the investigation back to the vigilance department of the bank itself. The bank comes around giving me a letter after a year saying that we have investigated your complaint. We do find there is forgery on your checks. And there were loan documents which were forged too, which I had complained about. So they tell me we are going to take action on it.
According to you, forged by whom?
So the loans are procured by my husband.
Oh, forged by husband. All right.
My husband and his team, because it has to be in conjunction
So you
with
have
bank
a-
officials.
You have discord with the husband?
We do have a discord since 2011. These checks were forged earlier to that, which I was not aware. They have come around with a case saying that because of the marital dispute, this is a civil case and it should not be taken ahead.
That will, don't worry about their
Right.
pleading. You say what you want.
So after my complaint went, the bank told me they were filing a complaint with the police and they were going to take action on the officers. Believing them, I waited. They filed a complaint. Under RTI, I collect the copy of the complaint. My lordship, they have not produced the documents which I have submitted in the court. I just want to put it before this bench, if you don't mind.
Sorry, madam. What are these, madam?
These are the documents I have marked before the trial court.
Before
In the sworn statement, because the police, my husband is a big businessman having high influence in the local.
All right.
If my lordship just looks at page number 114
Of this.
of this document, yes. It's exhibit number C41. It's a report by Mr. Annamalai when he was the SP of Chikmagalur. He reported on all my complaints which were investigated by the Mangalore police. Because my husband being a localite, he's very influential with the police. If only the conclusion part of the report is also looked into, it is very clear that the Mangalore police has not done their job or their investigation properly. They've been very biased. And that's the report where he says that it should be reinvestigated by the DYSP. When the B report was filed in my particular this complaint, when my first complaint was filed with the bank, they told me they were going to file a complaint. My lordship, if you can kindly look at page number 92, that is exhibit number 37. It is a copy of the complaint which I received from RTI from the bank. In this complaint, they have specifically mentioned each check which was in cash. And in that, it specifies that so-and-so person came, encashed the check on so-and-so date, this much amount was encashed. For a minute, my lordship, if you can go to page 1 of this document.
Page 1.
Page 1. Sorry, that's the sworn statement, exhibit 1. That's on
Page
I've just marked the page number after the sworn statement.
1.
Right, sir.
That's page 1.
That's 1, yes. That is a check for 19 lakhs 5,060, I believe. The figure is 19 lakhs odd. On the back of the page, if my lordship sees, the bank itself has endorsed. Signatures of the drawer does not match. Spoke to one Mr. Narayan, encashed the check. Who is this Mr. Narayan? They have not come around till date coming back with an answer. Such a big amount of check they have encashed without even confirming with me if that is my check. Having said that, the bank has given me a copy of the complaint saying that so-and-so checks have been encashed by so-and-so percent. But when I go to the police station and collect a copy, if my lordship sees page number 99.
99.
Yes, my lordship. Exhibit C38.
One moment, madam.
Yes, my lordship. Now, if the matter which is written by the bank manager before the police station is read, he has specifically put in a sentence out there saying that she has a habit of doing different signatures, and that's the reason we verified the signature with other documents and encashed the check. There is, I have even submitted my signature
So
card.
you are referring to page 99, the complaint.
Yes, that is a complaint filed by the bank manager before the police station.
Oh, the manager
And he
himself.
diluted the complaint. clearly showing that he's in collusion with the accused.
All right.
Even the loan documents I produced, my lordship,
Hmm.
in exhibit, which is exhibit number, sorry, my lordship,
Yes.
after page 114, after Mr. Annamalai's report,
Hmm.
all the exhibits that have been marked
Hmm.
are the loan documents which copy I collected under RTI from the bank.
All right.
All these documents have been forged. The accused have come before this court saying that the loans have been closed now. But that cannot be a reason for them to get acquitted by the forgery that they have done.
Now loans have been closed by whom?
By my husband, after a Sarfasi notice was issued. And in that Sarfasi notice, my loan documents was held by the bank. They allowed him to transfer his mortgage property to a minor, threatening me, we will auction your property documents.
You got the notice from the bank.
I got a notice from the bank, and that Sarfasi notice is there in that same document. My
Page?
lordship, I'll just take you to it. Page number 60, my lordship,
60.
exhibit C25. My
This
documents are there. in that.
Precision India proprietor is your
Shagil-
husband.
Shagil Precision India was
That-
my husband's proprietorship firm, and he has procured loan making me stand as surety.
Yes.
They restructured the loan multiple times. In 98, I stood as surety. The loans went on till 2013. And they were restructured multiple times without my knowledge or consent. And then they serve me a Sarfasi notice threatening me, we'll auction your property, while they give him to transfer his mortgage properties. If settlement number, he's transferred all his documents to my minor son, just so that my property gets auctioned. My lordship, I can take you to that settlement deed also. It is page number 76, exhibit number C32. Now, when he was a minor, they let him transfer the documents without taking an NOC for the bank. And when I informed the bank doesn't take any action on it, indirectly threatening me. The complaint filed by the police, by the bank to the police. B report was filed because of my husband's influence in the police. When notice was issued to the bank manager, my lordship,
What happened to the B report? It has become final?
that one, what happened, sir? The bank manager didn't appear. The case got closed.
Hmm.
But because I had taken up the matter with the Honorable High Court, and the High Court said I can go back to the police department for further investigation under 173(8),
Hmm.
Annamalai sir reported this report.
You need
And-
not name it. We just.
Right.
Yes.
Then it went in. So now CID is investigating the matter.
Now the
in this-
investigation is on.
In that matter is going on, 131. In this matter, sir, when the police filed a requisition before the court for further investigation, they came before this honorable court questioning the fact that the magistrate court allowed permitting the police to investigate the matter.
That is stayed, is it? Yes.
No, sir.
Huh.
That was filed before this honorable court in 5715 of 2018. I have filed a copy of the order in my counter, along with my counter, page 55. That was the interim order. In that interim order, my lordship had
This is
noticed.
2012-2019 interim.
Yes, and this has been over now because they withdrew the case eventually. But
Yes.
in that interim order, my lordship can see there is an observation made by this honorable court how the bank has been harassing me as a client of theirs because they have colluded with my husband. If I may be allowed to read.
No, that I will see.
Right,
Not-
my lordship.
Yes.
So having said that,
Hmm.
the court, when the matter was before this court, they withdrew that petition. It went back before the trial court, 168, for stage of sworn statement. Because it was at the stage of sworn statement that the complaint had come, the order had come before this honorable court.
Yes.
Now, when my sworn statement was taken, all these documents have been marked. The honorable court has taken cognizance on it, issued summons to them. They have again come before this honorable court just to delay the matter. My lordship has passed an order recently in the last year, in June 2023, pertaining to a similar case.
What's that similar?
I have filed a copy of that before my lordship. It was filed on 22nd of April. on 28th of June, 2023.
2746 of 2023.
Yes, 2746 of 2023. My lordship has observed in that matter that under 465 CRPC,
Hmm.
if
No,
there
they
is,
are curable defects.
right, if there is a curable defect, it need not be stayed and the matter can go ahead because you're just trying to avoid the trial, my lordship.
We'll see. Now, that's all your cases?
That is my case.
Yes. Yes, madam.
Any short?
Role reversal now.
No.
No. Short what? Tomorrow.
Please.
Heard the respondent in person at length who has completed her submissions in the light of the submission made by the learned counsel representing the petitioner that the senior counsel is unavailable today. The list the matter tomorrow at 4 PM for further hearing.
Much obliged, my lordship.
ನಾಳೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ madam.
Please.
Yes.